Mayor, should I give your full name or
PVP family? Because my boss said
33,500 enrollees in our digital.
I'd like to thank you for inviting me to your opening. I always pass through this bank. In any project that I will think of, they will always be part of my thoughts.
2, 1. Cut. Okay, congratulations. He was the one who was responsible for the retaking of Fort McKinley, or what is now known as. So it's the same group, the 47th Division of the Hunters ROTC, the 11th Philippine Veterans Bank. So before we close, okay, thank you very much. That ends our quick program.
Dapat separate.